What's up, everybody? We got a new video for you today at the Wallace Farm and Sawmill, and we got a simple task to get done today. We're simply custom sawing. I got an order for 2 by 8 by 12 foot, I think, 10 foot. Anyway,
you better know.
Simple 2 by 8s we got to cut. We're cutting true 2-inch thick, 8-inch wide material out of some oak logs for some trailer decking. Let's get into it. Okay, we got the log over to the sawmill. Brittany's about to do some measuring. What you got?
It's a 20 by 21.
20 by 21. So let me ask you this, Britt. What's your estimate? True 2-inch by 8-inch boards. How many we getting out of that log?
Hopefully we can get 10 out of this log. What do you guys think?
Comment down below. Let us know what you think. How many you think it'll make. We're shooting for at least 10 from that log. Maybe we'll get 12. Maybe more. Let us know. About to put it on the mill and get started. I don't know if it's even a one-handable board. My left hand's screaming. If you guys are wondering why I took a heavy slab off the top there, you can see it was only heavy because we had 2 big knots in it, so we had to get those off. Also, we're looking to get the most 2 by 8s out of that log as possible. So my opening cut, I didn't want to open it and then have to take a 2 by 6 off before I could get to, I wanted to start out getting as much off and then go straight to getting a 2 by 8. As you guys can see there, we achieved that. Now we drop down 2 inches. And we'll get a 2 by 8 right off the top. to sharpen the blade. We never really show a blade change out, so today we're going to show you a blade change out. I like to run this out a good little ways just so you got room to get that in. That takes all the pressure off the blade. These doors out of the way. Right off to the sharpener. All right, we're finally down to 8 inches. So now all we got to do is turn that up, and then we're gonna go 2 inches all the way to the bottom. Can you handle that?
I think I can handle it.
We're gonna turn it over to Britt. I'm gonna get the camera, and we're gonna saw that all the way down.
tractor and moved these. We ended up with 7 of these, and we're gonna edge the rest of them. Now it's time to get these on the sawmill and edge them out. That log teased us a little bit. We needed 15 and it gave us 13. So gotta cut 2 more out of this little log.
I'm zoomed really far in, but if you see right over there, they got a saw cutting the power line. For 2 days around here, they've been moving that saw around doing the power line, and it just just makes a squeal the whole time. So if you hear a light squeal in the background of this video, just know it's that annoying machine across the road. The order called for 15 2-baits. Looks like we got 15 2-baits. We are headed to go get a little water. We're still hot and dry. We got a possibility of some rain coming down here. I think Wednesday is what they got on the thing. Yeah. Anyway, so when you look at a rain possibility, like if you pull up the weather app on your phone and it says you have a 45% chance of rain. My understanding is that's 45% chance of that area gets rain, not a 45% chance that it will rain. Comment down below, clarify that for us in the comments. I'm taking you guys over to the garden, about to give you a garden update. Okay, here we are at the garden. Let me show you what we got going on. So, in a row, we got 2 rows here, and we've got them picked out. I hoed them over the weekend, and they're pretty good. About every 2 foot apart. There is collard greens. Now, we have been thinning these out some because they were hard to plant and not overseed. So, kind of coming through here and pulling out some of these little ones, just leaving the big ones. You know, and then right up here in the middle, as I'll zoom in, a couple random seeds stayed in the middle, and I just left those couple plants in there because why not? They're not gonna be in our way when we're picking or anything, so I left a few plants right down the middle where the spilled seed was. Now, we're really proud of the turnip greens because they're actually looking really, really good.
They're bright green.
Let's turn the camera around and show you these. As you can see, we have a lush field of turnip greens. Now, we actually are just a couple days out from picking some of these and thinning these down, and later your turnip will come in under the bottom there. But yeah, we got a lot. So we got a 5 foot wide row and a 5 foot wide row there of turnip greens. And then just on the other side, zoom into there, those are actually mustard greens.
So the saying goes, mustard greens have a much milder taste than turnip greens do. So if you know anything about that, just tell us in the comments below.
Down through here, as you can see, like I said, I left a few of these collards here because I thought, well, they're not too thick. But right here is our radishes, and they are growing really well. I'm gonna get in here and you can actually see the radish growing there. So this one here is not quite ready, but let me just show you guys what we got here. Now this isn't far from ready. I would say less than a week or so that'll probably be big enough to for sure like start pulling a lot of these out. But this is the radish head, not me. I don't eat the radishes.
I love radishes.
So we might take that one in and wash it off and then let Miss Brittany tell us what she thinks of the flavor of our radishes we're growing. Look, check it out. Brittany throwed that radish top over in there. And as you can see, the chickens are taking care of it. As we're talking about those chickens, just giving you a little update, we're going to be on the lookout for a rooster before long because ours is not doing so good. He's got something going on with his foot, and, well, he's getting a little old. So, time to find a new chicken or a new rooster for our hens, I suppose.
Yep.
So, we came back under the barn to find some shade, and now she also washed off her radish. Let's get a taste test on camera, straight from the garden. I'm gonna try it.
Good.
I'm gonna try it with you. Let's show you guys the interior. I don't know if I like these.
Oh, they're so good. You're crazy. What do you think?
I think it's just an acquired taste. And before this video ends, I also want to include a huge thank you to some of our supporters out there. Now, I didn't get a last name, but Mr. Milton sent me some Workhorse Handbook. That's a book there. I'm putting the camera down. Hold on, guys. And also, I got Training Workhorses, Training Teamsters. Both of these books I've been reading over the past 2 days, absolutely chock full of information that I needed here with these two Belgian horses that I'm training. As you guys know, I have well, I've said before, but if you don't, I'm telling you now, I have a ton of training horse experience with saddle horses. I've trained reining and rope horses for years, okay? But these two books right here are helping shed some light on some subtle nuances between the workhorses. I appreciate you, Mr. Milton. These books are invaluable. Now, let's get over to one more shout out we want to do on the channel. So, you know, we got our cats that Miss Patches showed up, and she left us with a few more friends. So we put a link down below to Brittany's wish list on there on her Amazon. Mr. Matt sent us another bag of cat food off of that wish list. We appreciate you guys so much because these little ones, Ice Bear, as my son has named this one, or our son. I got corrected one time. Somebody said, you always say my son, not our son. It's because I'm bad with English, okay? It's our son. But anyway, thank you guys for that. Yes. Just wanted to include that, and these books I'm super grateful for. So thanks, Mr. Milton.
Thanks, Matt.
Yeah, I'm going to say that's an acquired taste. It's not bad. I don't find it bad by no means. But radishes are acquired taste. Those are cherry bell radishes. If you've growed those or had those, comment down below. We like to get you guys active and commenting about what's going on in the videos because it does help grow and it does help the videos go in the algorithm and all that. So appreciate you guys that do comment and like all of our videos. Now, this video is kind of coming down to an end. We pretty much just want to show you guys a simple day of turning logs into lumber and how we make some money here at the Wallace Farm and Sawmill. That's probably the absolute most basic way things happen around here. An order gets put in, we send it out. If orders aren't coming in, we're sawing for the pallet company and we keep it busy. You guys know how we do out here. We always got something going. Now this afternoon, probably gonna go out and do some work with the horses, and because this is gonna be the first day back in training after 4 full days have passed, and the dentistry on our Belgian horses is kind of in the afterthoughts. They're healed up over that and we're good to go. So that's gonna do it. What do you want to add, Miss Brittany?
Don't forget to check out our Patreon page and our Instagram and our merchandise. We have a new t-shirt on there that has Jasper and Samson on it. So
yep, check out the merchandise in the link below. You can get a cool new Wallace Farm and Sawmill shirt with our 2 horses on there. I've got to order mine and get them in. We'll wear them on the channel, show you guys. But if you guys want to get those before we even get ours, they're available to purchase right now. Check the link in the description below. That is going to do it for this one. We will be back in the middle of the week. More videos. Till next time.
See ya.
Bam.